If you're trying to figure out how to activate your AT&T SIM card, this video will walk you through everything, step by step. Method 1. Activate online. Open at.com/activations in your browser. You'll see Activate a new device. Under Step 1, get started with your SIM type. If you bought a new phone or SIM, make sure the SIM card is inserted in your phone. If you're using an eSIM, you'll still follow this same process. Step 2. Choose your service. You'll see two options, AT&T Wireless, AT&T Prepaid. Click Activate Prepaid if you're setting up a prepaid SIM. Step 3. Set up your prepaid account. Select how many lines you want to activate, 1 or 2. Click Continue. Step 4. Enter device info. Choose ICCID or SIM number. It's the 20-digit number printed on your SIM. Enter your IMEI number, found in Settings, About Phone. Enter your zip code to activate service. Click Continue and follow the rest of the prompts. Once you finish, restart your phone. Your AT&T prepaid SIM should connect automatically. Method 2. Call to activate. If you prefer doing it over the phone, AT&T can help you complete activation too. Just call 1-800-90-19878. That's AT&T's prepaid support line. They might ask for your SIM card number or IMEI, so keep those handy. After that, your line should be active within a few minutes. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 2 easy ways to activate your AT&T SIM card. You can do it right on your phone, online, or by giving AT&T a quick call. If this helped, drop a comment and hit that like button. It really helps the channel.